Hi, my name is Xavi and I'm about to show you my video submission. The original idea was to use the .NET Micro Framework and the Tail 2 developing board to create a robot called Garden Walker, or codenamed GW. The purpose of this robot was to go out to the garden and to give the user information about what the garden looks like and what needs more watering, less watering, and this will hopefully cause the user to save water and to redirect his water to have a very nice garden. While developing the board and building it, I realized that GW wasn't an appropriate name, so I changed it to G.R.A.S.S, G.R.A.S.S. That stands for Garden Reconnaissance and Surveillance System. I really enjoyed working with the .NET Micro Framework and the project. It was a real nice change after using assembly. Anyway, this is the project. We've got the solar system, we've got 3 batteries, we've got one over there, 9 volt, and 2 5-volt batteries. We've got the moisturizer detector. This on purpose isn't mounted. We've got an edge detector over here, we've got 2 motorized wheels, we've got an on-off button, we've got a button to redirect the solar power to specific batteries, and we've got the glass detector, which is over here. I'll just show you what happens when I turn on the board. Yeah, just get a white screen. This happened on Sunday. On Saturday I've got photographic proof that the board works, but fortunately now it doesn't work. If the board would have worked, it would go forward, get to the screens, and then turn around because of the edge detector. What I was thinking, well, I didn't put this on because the board doesn't work. I didn't want to fix anything in place. That's also why the glass detector isn't in place. What happens is once the glass detector detects a certain amount of glass, it will stop and the robot will stop, and then this will go down with PWM. It's a mini servo. This will go down into the ground all the way. It seems a bit hard and not working because you're not supposed to do this to a servo, but I need to prove a point. Anyway, it'll go down, check the glass, and then go up again, like that. The glass detector over there is going to be mounted using this spring, which will give it the springy effect and which will enable it to click on glass. I will be able to show it later on in the video. Besides that, I really think that even if I don't get to prove myself for the next stage, I will still be using this in my own garden just because I think it's a really good tool to use, and I hope that it will help me maximize my water redirection for my garden. I mean. Anyway, thank you for choosing me to prove myself in the Dota Dream competition. I should be getting a board later on this week or the beginning of next week, so if I get chosen I'll be able to show it to you actually working, hopefully. Yeah. Then the rest of the video will be of my building progress and what it looks like and what it looked like. the build process. My original concept, basic first program on the board, starting. Hardware that I got for the board, you see the wheels, the on-off button, the motion detector, servo, solar panels, wheels, another solar panel just to give me the extra power boost. Altogether it's 13 volts, 650 milliamps and 8.5 watts. Unsuccessful mount of wheels on the MDF base. Successful mount of wheels on the base and a view of the extension board. The servo, the motion detector, it's based on an old robot of mine. That's also one of the reasons I didn't call it Garden Walker like the old robot walked. This was taken on Saturday. It shows the wheels walking and the board working, and giving information about the battery and the grass amount and the edge amount and other information. This is a topography image from the accelerometer data. This is the robot outside. That's what it looks like. The grass detector, it works by getting hold of the grass strands and putting a circuit. This is the motion detector in the ground, what it looks like. Top side view of the board, all constructed. Another view of the board from the side. You see the on-off button, that's the one closer to the wheel, and the other button redirects the solar power to the rechargeable batteries. They're all rechargeable batteries. This is a view from the front, and a view from the top. You can notice that some of the things haven't been added, like the SD card, the Zigbee module, and the camera. The camera I couldn't put on because it hasn't arrived yet. The Zigbee and the SD card I haven't initialized in the program, so I didn't add it, but besides that, I did everything. Thank you for choosing me, and I appreciate the opportunity to present my ideas to you.